Hi everyone, welcome back into my channel. It's Tom here, and in today's video I will show you how you can mod AI mirror. First we have to go at the browser, Chrome or Safari, whatever, and then we should go at this website, guys, modgamers.com. In this website you can find a lot of games and apps, but now we are going to get in the modded version, AI mirror. So guys, you should write the search bar like this, AI, and you will see that this pop up. Click here, guys. So I know that this currently is not available, it has been ported from this third-party store. Okay, just go to the creator, so everything is okay, guys. But also, this is a third-party store, so you should use it in your own discretion. If you're using Android, click here and wait for installation, because on Android the process will be automatically. If you're using iOS or iPhone, please follow me, because I have to show you another step that you have to follow. But first, let's get the app, guys. But if you have any question or problem during the process, don't hesitate to comment below. Also, you can write me at the chat box, guys, when I will literally give you my right answer and solution, so everyone can get this amazing app in the modded version. So guys, please be a little bit patient and follow the steps. Okay guys, let's wait a few seconds. After that, guys, we should go at the settings and you will see that will be pop up this profile downloaded. Click here, click install iOS version, next, install, and done. Let's see, guys. Okay, perfect, here it is. As you saw, guys, was the easy way to get this amazing app in the modded version. Now let's open and enjoy the app, guys. Let's see if everything is working fine, guys. Okay, perfect, it's starting now. Let's take it like this, it's better. Okay guys, let's click continue. Let's select this one, for example, click here. Let's click this one, for example, guys, okay. Okay, allow access. Perfect, guys, everything is working just fine. So please don't forget to subscribe. Select my photo, click here, guys. Select this range and draw. So guys, everything is working just fine. Please don't forget to subscribe and give a like. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you guys, bye bye.